Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Western plow markers are probably one of the most important safety features for your snow plow, ensuring increased visibility and safety during nighttime or low visibility conditions. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the right Western plow markers for your needs, helping you make an informed decision based on factors such as light intensity, mounting style, durability, and overall visibility enhancement. Number 5. Snowplow Blade Markers Kit. This kit significantly enhances the visibility of your snow plow blades, improving safety and efficiency in all weather conditions. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting durability. It features a flexible, high-strength steel wire core encased in durable materials, ensuring it won't break under stress. The 304L stainless steel base resists rust, even in snowy conditions. This kit is compatible with most major snow plow brands, including Blizzard, Boss, Snowway, and Western. It's a simple solution to increase the safety of your snow removal operations. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included 304L stainless steel hardware. The base is designed to fit most snow plows, making it a quick and easy upgrade. Unlike cheap plastic alternatives, it's made with low-temperature resistant rubber and high-quality steel wire. It's flexible, yet strong enough to withstand the rigors of snow plowing. The included fluorescent reflective strip further improves visibility, especially in low-light conditions. You can easily customize its placement for optimal performance. We stand behind our product. If you encounter any issues, contact us through Amazon for assistance with troubleshooting, replacements, or refunds. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's made of high-strength steel wire and 304L stainless steel, ensuring it won't break or rust. The easy installation process saves you time and effort. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install snow plow marker that will last, this is the one for you. What people say. Even in below zero temperatures these did not break or bend. Used these as replacements on my old Boss snow plow. They fit perfectly and are of good quality. Rigid so they don't flop around, but flexible enough to bend if they hit something. Used these on my snow plow to mark the end of the blade. Heavy and seems durable. Number 4. 29 Snow Plow Markers. It features a spine made of high-strength steel wire, remaining flexible and durable. The stainless steel joint and nut ensure long-lasting reliability. With a 29-inch length and 3/4-inch thickness, it's compatible with most major snow plow brands. It clearly marks the plow's edge for precise snow removal. It remains flexible even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it won't break or crack, even in the harshest winter conditions. The top includes a wide reflective strip for excellent visibility, even at night. This improves safety and precision during snow plowing. We're committed to your satisfaction. Contact us through Amazon for any issues. We offer troubleshooting, replacements, or refunds. What we like. Its spine is made of high-strength steel wire, making it unbreakable even in extreme cold. It's compatible with most major snow plow brands. If you're looking for an incredibly durable and versatile snow plow marker, this is a great option. What people say. Has great durability, flexible and firm at the same time, very bright, easy to install and use, and good height if you have a lift kit on your truck and can't see with the stock ones. I installed on a 60-inch tractor blade for JD 2038 tractor. Exactly what I wanted and gives me visibility to edges of the blade. Impressed with quality and strength of product. These snow plow markers mounted perfectly in the existing holes of my John Deere Frontier 60-inch plow. The markers are well made and thicker than most other plow markers. Number 3. Byers Products Western Snow Plow Markers. These innovative markers are designed to enhance visibility and precision during snow removal. They're a must-have for efficient and safe plowing. They're perfectly compatible with Western Snowplows models 62265 and many others. Check for compatibility with your specific model. These markers significantly improve visibility of the plow blade, especially in low-light conditions. This leads to safer and more precise snow removal. With improved visibility, you'll be able to clear snow more precisely, reducing the risk of damage to property and ensuring a clean job. Installation is straightforward and requires minimal tools. You'll be back to plowing snow in no time. Built to withstand harsh winter conditions, it ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. They're designed to endure the rigors of snow removal. You can trust in the quality and durability of these markers, backed by Bayer's product's reputation for excellence. They're a smart investment for any snow plow owner. What we like. This product lacks detailed information, making it difficult to assess its key features and benefits. More information is needed before a recommendation can be made. What people say. Perfect fit and a good product. Work like they are supposed to. They are flexible and won't break like the plastic ones. Number 2. Western Snow Plow Markers. These bright markers significantly improve the visibility of your snow plow. They're designed for optimal performance and safety. Installation is quick and straightforward. Get them mounted and ready to go in minutes. Built to withstand harsh winter conditions, they're made from long-lasting materials. Expect reliable performance all season long. Increase your safety and the safety of others with enhanced visibility. These markers are a worthwhile investment. They are specifically designed for Western 59700, 130, 8210, 410007, and S&P 7900 snow plows. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal functionality. This convenient 2-pack provides everything you need. You get 2 durable markers for complete coverage. What we like. This product lacks detailed information, making it difficult to assess its key features and benefits. More information is needed before a recommendation can be made. What people say. Quick and easy to put on makes it so much easier to plow. Never any problems with these, good quality. Works as it should, easy install, looks and installs just like factory. Number 1. Western Snowplow Blade Markers. These new markers are designed to fit Western snowplows, ensuring optimal visibility and safety during snow removal operations. They're a direct replacement for part number 1308205. The bright orange color and reflective decals provide superior visibility, even in low-light conditions. This helps improve safety for both the operator and others. You get a total of 4 24-inch long markers. Each comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. Installation is simple and straightforward, thanks to the included nuts, bolts, and washers. They're designed for a perfect fit on your Western snowplow. These markers are built to last, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. They're a cost-effective solution to replace worn-out or damaged markers. They are specifically designed as a direct replacement for Western snowplows. This ensures a seamless and secure fit every time. What we like. These markers come with reflective decals for enhanced visibility, and they're specifically designed for Western snowplows. If you're on a budget and need a reliable solution for your Western snowplow, this is a good choice. What people say. Great to have while backing up. Eliminates the guessing. Good quality for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.